A heart murmur is a sound that your heart makes that you listen to with a stethoscope. When someone hears the heart murmur for you, whether it be your physician or a nurse, it's important to understand what it is and what it means. There are innocent murmurs that just need to be followed throughout your life, and then there are murmurs that indicate there's a valve problem. A partnership with a cardiologist is a very important tool to understand what they're hearing and what it means and what you need to do in follow-up and treatment.